Open the sealing cap of the water inlet of the chiller. Add the prepared distilled water. Adding distilled water is to avoid scale. Winter we have to add special antifreeze for chiller. Add in a ratio of 4 to 6 with water. Water level indicator for adding water. Add to standard area. Close the water injection port after adding. Connect the power cord. Connect compressed air before processing. Turn off. Turn on the power. Turn on emergency stop. The screen lights up. The chiller is powered on. The current temperature is displayed here. Normally set the temperature to 26 degrees in winter. This is a safety protection for the laser. To turn on the laser, the key rotates counterclockwise. Wait for the power light to go out. After the run light turns red, press the start button on the right to start the laser. Adjust the required parameters. Turn on potential energy to start welding. Turn off the laser after use. Turn the key to the off state. Turn off the main power.